Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to do marketing of your business in LinkedIn, and if you are a job seeker then you're in the right place. Let's start a video. First you have to download the software from the Google. I'll also add the link on the YouTube description. Its name is LinkedIn Helper. You have to download it. I've already downloaded the software, so I don't have to download it again and install it. So you have to download it and install it, then you have to go to the LinkedIn Helper home page. I have to tell you two things before starting the software. The first thing is the software is 1 month free trial, and the second thing is you can do multiple LinkedIn profiles campaign but not at the same time. You have to add the account from their email account and the password, then you have to add it. I already add the account. I have to open it just like this. Open the account. Just wait for 5 to 6 seconds. It will auto put your email ID and password and then open the account. Okay, now the software is opened. The software look like this. This is the software for just the LinkedIn profile of this user. I'll show you something. Look at who viewed your profile. 129 people. We are doing this campaign from just 3 to 4 days, and look at the result. Who viewed your profile? 129 people. And also you can see the messages, the good responses from the HR team, and look at the messages they got from. It's a huge list. So what you have to do, you have to first go for the campaign. You have to add new campaign, give it some name, just like if you want to send in the invitations to the people. And then you have to add the workflow. Workflow means what you have to do for the software. You have to add the workflow. This is the workflow. Visit and extract profile. If you want some data from the LinkedIn, you have to just go for the visit and extract profile. There is profile, auto followers, message to one connection group, and there is many things you have to do. But for now we have to just send the invitation, invite second and third level contacts. Okay, now you have to give it the queue of peoples which you have to send the request. But before doing that, we have to add some message. We have to add some message like this: dear. You have to add the first name. It will goes to every profile and fetch the first name and then send it to automatically to them, just like this. Yeah, I want to connect it to you for professional network. You can add your custom message, but you like to add in. So you have to add it, preview and save. Now go back to the collect option. Now at this stage you have to give him the queue of people you have to connect to. Search page. Okay guys, you have to give him the filters of the peoples, just like I have to add HR. Search for this first, all filters, just like you have to get the location of the US. Add the industry, just like I want to add the oil and gas energy, oil and energy. look at HR executive, global HR professional, and you click on the target campaign. The campaign name is invitations. Okay, choose selected, start collecting. Okay, first you have to start collecting your people you want to add. The maximum of the number you have to target is just 150. You don't have to exceed from this number. I'm stopping it to make a video short. Okay, so we have 27 peoples in the list. Now we have to go to the campaign and then start this invitation just like this. Now see what they are doing. You have to wait for some time. Now look, the software is doing everything for you. The first thing, it have to search from the input, search input, and then search for the name you have to give them, and then it will message the people automatically. You don't have to do anything. It will message all the people in the queue, 150 peoples, and then you will get the result from the campaign. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel and share our video also. Look, I'm not writing anything. The software is doing it for automatically, and then it will share it. Good. Now thanks for the video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.